Hi there, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you're here. Today I get to show you a gorgeous style from Henry Margu. This is Claire and this is in the color 1226 GR. If you're like me and you love curl and you love volume, I think you're going to enjoy this review of this beautiful style, Claire by Henry Margu. Let me start off by thanking TL Wigs for sending me this beautiful style Claire so that I can review it for you today. TL Wigs is a wonderful and trustworthy online retailer. They also have a private and a very active Facebook support group. I invite you to join that Facebook support group where there's over 4,000 members there to support you in your own wig journey. There's also announcements of sales, giveaways. They ship worldwide. And there's lots of information on there on how to care for your own wigs. I will leave links to both this gorgeous Claire and that Facebook support group down in the description box below. Also, if you want to get yourself a Claire, just click on that link in the description box below. Use the code ANDI in the notes section at checkout. And as a way to say thank you for your order, they're going to send you a gift card between $10 and $20. Let me spin around so you can see Claire from all sides. But first, I want to show you this really pretty bang. It's kind of a swoopy bang. I just think it is so pretty. And these curls are just amazing. I think they did a wonderful job with this. And this is regular synthetic, which means no maintenance on this, or very low maintenance. You're not going to have the rubbing, the friction, having to apply heat to the ends to keep the fibers at their best. This is low maintenance. Very layered. It is just a really pretty style by Henry Margu. But this is a voluminous style. So I love the volume. You know I love volume. And I can really pump the volume up on this one. This does have some permatease in it. Very well done. It's mostly, the heaviest is around the top here. There is some around the whole cap, but I do feel the most at the top. But it's just really, really well done for this style. This is kind of a beachy wave, but I just think these curl or wave pattern, I just think it's done so well. And let me get in and let you see how pretty these fibers move. They are very, very soft. It is a very layered style. So you're going to get volume from the permatease, but you're also going to get it from these curls, and you're also going to get it from the layers. Now, Henry Margu created Claire to have a basic cap construction. And I remember when I first started wearing wigs, I thought, hold on, what's basic cap? And what's machine made? What's open wefted? What's heat defiant? What's heat friendly? Like all these terms in wig wearing. So I want you to know that a basic cap, open cap, machine made, those are all the same. That means that that is a wig cap made with no bells and whistles on it. You're not going to have a lace front. You're not going to have mono features, but it is a really well-made cap. Henry Margu makes a really nice cap. So when I say a basic cap, that means you are not going to be pulling this style up off your forehead because you don't want to expose that hard front. So let's go over the cap for Claire. Like I said, it is open wefted, it's basic cap, machine made, all the same thing. And we don't have any bells and whistles on this one. We have closed velvet ear tabs with stays. It's open wefted all the way around. You have an extended nape with stays and Velcro adjusters. My Velcro adjusters on my 21¼ inch head circumference are pulled in to about 1 inch of them touching each other. And this cap has a good bit of stretch in it. It feels wonderful on my head. Now when you hear open cap, machine made, open wefted, I hope that that also makes you associate that with a lower price point. Because you don't have those mono features on the cap, you're going to have a lower price point on a really nice quality wig here by Henry Margu. The density on Claire, I would consider this to be a medium density wig style. You have all these layers, the curl and permatease, and you can get quite a bit of volume. But this only weighs 3.45 ounces. It is very light, very, very comfortable. Let's go over the measurements on this gorgeous wig. This is a fringe or a front piece here of 5.5. Now let me remind you, my forehead is only 2 inches from my hairline to the top of my eyebrow. So I do have a shorter forehead, And I would not cut this bang myself. I don't really know, because of the way this lays, if you could cut a bang in it. You would have to ask your stylist about that. Make sure. I know there's lots of tutorials on how to cut your own bangs or cut your own wig, thin your wigs out on YouTube. But I do want to mention that if you take your wig to a stylist, make sure it is someone that has experience in cutting wigs, because the fiber is different than natural hair. The sides are 5.5 to 6 1/4, so you can tell that that has layers in it. And then the top is 4 3/4 to 6 1/4. And then the nape is 4 3/4. And this only weighs 3.45 ounces. It is really, really comfortable on my head. Like I said, you can get volume on this style. Claire has the permatease in it and the curls and the layers, which I love. But look how easy it is just for me to get my fingers in there. And I really get in where that permatease is, right at the roots, and I just swirl it and pinch it. That's what I do. And then I just kind of comb it through. I did nothing to this wig. I pulled it out of the box, shook it, put it on my head. I didn't even spritz it with water. I just did the shake and rake, where you shake it by the nape, you rake it with your fingers, and I broke the curls up a little bit because the curls were pretty defined. And for me, I like the curls to just move very free and not be so formed. But I want to show you how easy it is to get a different look, because you can take this wig and make it look a little more formal. If you have family pictures, if you have a wedding to go to, or you want to go to church and look nice, look how easy this is just to pull up one side and clip it right here. There you go. And then just going to fluff it out a little bit. But look how pretty that is. That up with this beautiful bang and these gorgeous curls. And I think the way they did the highlighting on this piece, this 1226 GR, is so pretty around the face. It just really lightens it up with these curls. Just so pretty. Now I'm just going to put a headband in. And wow, that's pretty, isn't it? Let me say one more time for the record, I love this bang. I think it is so pretty. So well done. Turn around here and show you this side. The headband is such an easy way to change your wig style. Now I'm just going to take a piece back on each side, and this will minimize the volume on the appearance of this wig just by doing this. But see how easy that is? Such a cute style. But I think you can see by this point, if you like volume and you like curls, you might want to check Claire out, because this is a really great quality wig for the price especially. And it's just a gorgeous style. Now let's talk about this color, 1226 GR. Claire also comes in 19 colors, I want to mention that. 1226 GR is considered a warm blonde, and this is on a medium brown root, and it is considered a soft golden blonde. So we have light golden brown with light blonde and gold blonde highlights. And I love a rooted wig for me. I just think this is so pretty. This color is so well done. If you find this a little bit shiny, all you have to do is just hit it with some dry shampoo, and that is an instant fix for shine on synthetic wigs. I also want to show you this color in outdoor lighting. Let me give you one last spin before I leave of this beautiful style, Henry Margu CLAIRE in 1226 GR. I'm glad that you joined me today for this review of Claire, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing a style that maybe you haven't seen before, or maybe it's a style that you're thinking about. And don't forget, in the description box below, I have a link to Claire if you want to see all 19 colors and you want to see the pricing. And if you want to get one, don't forget to use the code ANDI in the note section at checkout, and they're going to send you a gift card between $10 and $20. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.